Good morning children. Previous class we discussed vitamins and minerals. Now today we will discuss roughage. Okay, roughage. What is roughage? Roughage is the undigestible fibrous material present in food. Okay. It is the important part of the food. It helps in the proper functioning of digestive system. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to the body, but roughage is very important for our body because it helps in removing the waste. It helps in smooth functioning of the digestive system. It helps in constipation. Roughage also retains water. How? It absorbs water from the food material. What are the food items which contain roughage? They are orange, whole wheat flour, cabbage, etc. Roughage is the plant product which contains cellulose, is a kind of roughage. Plant product which contains cellulose is a kind of roughage. It is a kind of roughage. Okay children? Now coming to next topic, that is water. Water is essential for human survival. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Water helps to keep our body cool and healthy. Water keeps our skin smooth and glowing and helps in removal of waste in form of sweat and urine. We also get water through milk, tea, juices, fruits and vegetables. Excessive loss of water leads to dehydration, which is dangerous for life. Water is essential for human survival. Water is essential for human survival. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Water helps to keep our body cool and healthy. It makes our skin glowing and it helps in removal of waste in the form of sweat and urine. We get water through milk, tea, juices, etc. Okay children? Excessive loss of water may lead to dehydration, which is dangerous for life. Loss of water may lead to dehydration, which is dangerous for life. Okay children? So that is why doctor tells us to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Okay? Now we will do activity to show the test of water. What we will do? We will take some food material like potato, onion or apple. Then we will weigh them first. First we will weigh them. Then we will keep that food material under sun for 3 to 4 days. Okay? After 4 days, on 5th day we will again weigh that food material. Then you will see that the weight of the food material is less compared to the first day. Why it is less? It is less because the water is lost. Because of the sun, the water which is present in that food material is lost. Okay? So it is due to the loss of water, the weight is decreased. It proves that the food materials has water in them. Classification of food on the basis of its function. Next topic is classification of food. On the basis of its function, food is classified into three. Food is classified into three forms, that are energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. gives us energy is called energy giving food. These food includes carbohydrate and fat rich food. Energy giving food are fats and carbohydrate. Examples: rice, okay, oil, ghee, etc. Okay. And the food which build our body, which helps in building our muscles, making new muscles and repairing the tissues are called bodybuilding food. What are the bodybuilding food? Proteins. Protein rich food are bodybuilding food. Protein rich food are bodybuilding food. And what is the example of food item which have protein in them? Milk, egg, meat, etc. Okay. Now protective food. The foods which protect the body against diseases is called protective food. Vitamins and minerals are protective food. And vitamins and minerals are present in fruits and vegetables. Okay, children. Now, balanced diet. The food which a person takes is called a diet. A diet which contains all nutrients in proper amount, proportion as is required by body for normal growth and functioning is called balanced diet. It includes energy giving food, bodybuilding food, minerals, vitamins, roughage and water. All essential nutrients and roughage are needed for proper functioning of the body and good health. The food which a person takes is called diet, and the food which has all the nutrients in proper proportion is called the balanced diet. A diet which contains all the nutrients in proper proportion. Nutrients in proper amount or proportion. Is called balanced diet. Okay. So balanced diet should include energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, roughage and water. Now for the proper functioning of the body and proper growth of the body, balanced diet is must. Okay. So all essential nutrients and roughage are needed for the proper growth and functioning of the body. Now children, this much for today's class. In next class we will discuss about let us revise given on page 34 and deficiency diseases. Till then stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you children.